For the photo, the kids can stand down and dignitaries can please move back to the stage.
थोड़ा पुढे आ कम 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 कम
आप इधर आ जाए।
पास पास
ओके सर।
Thank you so much.
The District Governor Rajendra Khurana sir, he is going to join us very shortly. Past District Governor Shabbir Shakir sir, Guest of Honor Deepak Shilodkar sir, Assistant Governor Celestine Watchmaker, all past District Governors, District Officers, Presidents and Secretaries of all club and esteemed members of Rotary family. I welcome you all. I am Mamta Jaiswal, President of Rotary Club of Nagpur Elite. Welcomes you all with warmth for the once in a life moment, the installation ceremony of Dr. Sushma Deshmukh of Rotary Club of Nagpur Elite. While coming here, I read this line in a magazine: "Great is the art of beginning, but greater is the art of ending." What a pleasant coincidence for these lines with today's ceremony. Today we have a new leadership here, and the spark of this are giving me the nostalgia. This stage, these events, all will replace. But what will stay is the spirit of Rotary and all its Rotarians to serve the betterment of society. I am filled with gratitude today. Therefore, I remember my dad had once said to me that if an end of journey brings happiness to you, that means you have achieved for what you have traveled. Similar thoughts are running in my mind now. My tenure as president has been the best of my whole life. I learned a lot. I got mentorship of tremendous energetic people like past President Ajay Patil sir, honorable member of our club, Rotarian Girish Gandhi sir, past President Pragati Patil, and my husband Manish, who gave so much faith on me to anchor the responsibility of this role. My team was all time around a knock to help each other, be it our grand success of various events like Pulse Marathon, 7 days of Forest Week celebration, Cyclothon, Walkathon, Garbha and Rotary Youth Cultural Dance Fest. It was a big hit. Besides successful conduction of all board meetings and business meetings under my presidentship, we were able to attain 142% growth in members. I am glad to announce that I achieved 26 by 26 goals. My team, Sapna Nair, Sana Pandit, Sanjay Wankede, Darpan Badia, Sanail Ahmed, past President Shivangi Gar, Dr. Praveen Chandan Khede, Sana Upai, immediate past President Shivantar Patil. I can say all my club members were a strong chain. Rotary works have always given me pleasure. Therefore, I am glad that I could deliver 153 projects with extreme precision and management. I welcome you, Mangesh sir. For decades of my life, I have rooted myself in Rotary and it has taught me a lot. Therefore, through installing 7 Interact Club and 1 Rotaract Club, this year I was able to foothold it to the future generation as well. My sincere thanks to Assistant Governor, past presidents and my all Rotary family who in all my decision changes and guided by saying, Mamta, we can do it. I extend my warm thanks to Rotary Club Nagpur Elite who was a savior to all my last minute setup. I always knock at the last minute. So really they were so kind. They used to come. A vibrant thank you to my husband Manish, my son Pranay, and my daughter Sanvi. Always stood beside me in all my footholds and served me from all the steps. I am also blessed to have my dear brothers who have come all over from Australia and New Zealand. My elder brother, I think he is here. He is a doctor in Australia, and younger is a commercial pilot. They both came here to cheer me for this wonderful event. This splendid thank you to District Governor Rajinder Khurana, all past district governors, and Rotarian Atul Shah, past President Sati Khanna, who rejuvenated all my courage and supported me in all thick and throes. Thank you all. You lovely members, you patiently took me there as president. You were a great team. All the best to our elect President Dr. Sushma Deshmukh. Believe me, you are in the best team mates and you will embrace this journey as I did. I hope you all bring the best of everything you can. Let's make this world a better place and join me through this enthusiastic and motivating ceremony.
Respected Chief Guest, PDG Shabri Saki Sir, Dr. Rajendra Singh Khurana and the First Lady will join. Guest of Honor, Dr. Deepak Selokar, AG Assistant Governor Justin Washmaker, Immediate Past President Mrs. Mamta Jaiswal, all past District Governor here, Executive Secretary Mr. Ajay Patil, President-elect Sana Pandit, President and Secretaries of Nagpur Rotary Club, Nagpur Enclave, special guest, praise patrons, partner in service, Rotarians, Rotarians, Rota Kids, Interactors, then Rotractors and Rotex, my friends and relatives. It gives me proud pleasure to welcome you all on my installation ceremony as President of prestigious Rotary Club of Nagpur Elite. Greetings and tahe dil se shukriya for this wonderful moment and you are witnessing it. Today I stand before you with immense gratitude and deep sense of honor to accept this position. Today I feel really blessed because we all know that Rotary is a very prestigious organization of the world and Rotary Club of Nagpur Elite is an amazing and vibrant club since 2013. I think I'm proud to be 11%. Okay? Yeah. But I still think that all PGDs are here, Sangram Singh Rajesh sir is here, so many PGDs are here. So how can you express our feelings for the most respectful and loving, the main founder pillars of our Rotary organization, the Rotarian pioneers. They have potentiated the divine service and activities far away in the community. So I request on every occasion, we request them to shine on us so that we can reflect that light. Now, I feel that today, one more thing I would like to say. Today I am really feeling blessed that the galaxy of faculties are there with me. That just I will describe that Shabir means pious and patient. Then Rajendra Singh means leader brimming with determination. Deepak is an apt name for enlightening Deepak in many lives. Then Justine is an independent and determined nature. This is a natural born leader. And Ajay sir means success, invincible and courageous. So all these galaxy of people are here And how can I forget? The only one and one is loving immediate past president Mamta Jaiswal. It's my proud pleasure to congratulate IPP Mamta and her team for their incredible work and devotion. What is Mamta? Mamta is clearly like a little is motherly love. As the name is perfect for her, anyone can always fall in love with her, with this lovely and caring lady. And no doubt, she is the apple of eye of Manish Bhaiya, no doubt. She is with an exceptional nature, lady with international honor. But she is always pushing others to get that favor. There's a very wonderful quality of her. So, thank you, Mamta. Now, something different from me. As you already know that I am immediate past president of the Nagpur Obija Society, immediate chapter secretary, past chapter secretary of the Indian Fertility Society, even the at present vice president of Vishwa Mangala Medical Mission, and now president of the Rotary Club of Nagpur Elite. So suddenly there is a shifting for me. This is from academic zone to another prestigious mixed faculty organization. But I am thankful to all for believing me capable for this important post of this club for the tenure 2024-25. So, tons of thanks to all, especially Ajay Patil and Mamta Jaiswal for bringing me back in my Rotary family. Why my family? Because already you are knowing that my father is a past president of the Rotary Club of Latur, and my mother, Dr. Deshmukh, Sarojini Deshmukh, is a past president of the Inaugural Club of Latur. So Rotary is there in my blood since beginning. I have witnessed work of Rotary since my childhood in that era and area, and always it was like a vision, mission and passion. And Rotary is same. That time also it was like this, now it is also same. So I always remember that because many times always I correlate with our culture also. We know that it is first started with a vision, one man, Paul Harris, in 1905. Actually, it was only with the professional with the different qualities, they can have a good friendship. But over the time, Rotary has reached and vision gradually extended to the humanitarian services. But I always remember, while accepting any post, there is a Bhagavad Gita, quote from Bhagavad Gita, कर्मण्ये वाधिकारस्ते माँ फलेषु कदाचन माँ कर्मफल हेतुर्भूमि ते संगोत कर्मणि, यानी कर्म करने पर ही तुम्हारा अधिकार है और बाकी तुम उसके फल की अभिलाषा मत रखो. दिस शुड बी द सेंटेंस फॉर एवरी लीडर हु इज एक्सेप्टिंग एनी पोस्ट. Again, always I think that Rotary is related to our culture also. How it is reminding me the Pancha Mahabhuta. It's our Indian philosophy. It states that the fundamental structural basis of all living beings, including all plants, animals, human, is composed of 5 elements.
मैम, आप रोटरी क्लब ऑफ नागपुर की पास्ट प्रेसिडेंट है और साथ ही आपको आज बेस्ट रोटरियन का अवार्ड भी मिला है, क्या बताना चाहेंगे?
Yeah, I am Rotarian Mamta Jaiswal from Rotary Club of Nagpur Elite, immediate past president. So Rotary Club Nagpur Elite काफ़ी काम किया है लास्ट ईयर इन एवरी एवेन्यूज़, पूरे एवेन्यूज़ में काम किया है और काफ़ी अच्छा काम किया है, हर फील्ड में काम किया है और कोशिश हम यही कर रहे हैं कि आने वाले साल में भी डॉक्टर सुषमा मैम बहुत अच्छा अपना काम करें.
और हमारे साथ सुषमा मैडम भी हैं, वो आज प्रेसिडेंट नियुक्त की गई है रोटरी क्लब ऑफ नागपुर इलाइट की. तो मैम, आप क्या बताना चाहेंगे?
नमस्कार, मैं डॉक्टर सुषमा देशमुख, न्यूली इलेक्टेड प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ रोटरी क्लब ऑफ नागपुर एलिट. तो ये जो क्लब है एक्चुअली 2013 में चालू हो गया और आई एम 11th प्रेसिडेंट एंड एक्चुअली इट्स अ वेरी अमेजिंग एंड इंथुजियास्टिक दिस क्लब. बहुत सारे एक्टिविटी आते हैं रोटरी क्लब में. क्या है कि इट इज़ ऑन एवरी एस्पेक्ट वी लुक, जैसे मेडिकल बैकग्राउंड, जैसे बेसिकली इसका सेवाधारी ग्रुप है ये. ह्यूमैनिटेरियन एस्पेक्ट, यंग यूथ प्रमोशंस, then all the facilities, then the jobs and everything. For everything, Rotary's club is there. That's why this year, being a gynecologist, I have planned to work on more on the medical aspect. दैट द वी आर प्लानिंग एडोलसेंट अवेयरनेस। कैसा होता है कि स्त्री के इसमें 3 अवस्था इंपॉर्टेंट है। 10 से 19 तक एडोलसेंट यानी पौगंडावस्था, देन 20 से 40 तक रिप्रोडक्टिव, उसके 40 के बाद में प्लस 40 के बाद में जो रहता है प्रौढ़ावस्था। तो ये अलग अलग ग्रुप में स्त्री को अलग अलग महिलाओं को प्रॉब्लम्स रहते हैं। तो हर इसमें हमारा एक स्वरारोग्यम धन संपदा है एडोलसेंट ग्रुप के लिए, जो उसमें म्यूज़िकल अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम है। दूसरा है गर्भवती गर्भ संस्कार, और तीसरा 40 प्लस महिलाओं के लिए क्लिनिक हम प्लान कर रहे हैं। एवरी मंथली उनका फ्री चेकअप होगा। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट फ्री कैंसर सर्जरीज रहेगी, हर महीने में एक कैंसर सर्जरी फ्री की जाएगी। वेरियस कैंप्स रहेंगे अपने यहाँ पे। और दूसरा एक डाइट एग्जीबिशन, डाइट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, सो उसके बारे में भी हम प्लान कर रहे हैं, अभी हो जाएगा। और देन इज़ वी आर अडॉप्टिंग वन विलेज ऑल्सो फ्रॉम रोटरी, और वी आर गिविंग ऑल द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ सेवाज इन देयर। सो दिस इज़ आवर एक टेंटेटिव हमारा प्रोग्राम है। और हमारा ग्रुप काफ़ी एक्टिव है सभी तरफ से। मुझे जैसे पास में ममता जायसवाल मैडम, सना पंडित आगे के हैं, तो सभी की तरफ से अच्छा कोऑपरेशन मिलेगा। ये साथ में मेरे सेक्रेटरी प्रोजेक्ट शिल्पाली भालेरा, देन सेक्रेटरी एडमिन प्रमोद मिसा सर है, नित्या बारडिया, सना उपाय,
ऑल
वर्किंग टुगेदर। या
तो जैसे कि आज आप प्रेसिडेंट बन चुकी है, तो अब आने वाले समय में आप सबसे पहला काम क्या करेंगे?
सबसे पहले तो हमारा कैंप है, मेडिकल कैंप है 25 तारीख पर, इससे नरखेड़ में है। और दूसरा 18 में डॉक्टर सुधीर देशमुख सर और सना पंडित मैडम, वो दोनों एक उनका अवेयरनेस के लिए टॉक है।
हमारे चैनल से बात करने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन।
थैंक यू।